Hi guys, Josh here. This is the new JPGavan Time LE made in Australia. These are the biggest bats in the world. They will not be for sale, they're for promotion uses only. The edges on these are bigger than the face. They're over 110 millimeters. Absolutely massive. Biggest bat in the world. Today I'm not going to be talking about this. I will be talking about this new JPGavan Little Ripper Players LE. This one is blank with a new Time ripple grip. Absolute belter. These Players LE bats are based on how light the cleft is, as well as the performance of the bat. It's an absolute ripper of a bat. Plenty of grains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 grains across the face. Not perfectly even, but the performance on it is absolutely beautiful. Has an oval handle, as you can see here, 9 stick cane handle, also known as 12-piece cane handle. Has massive edges, 43mm edges, and upwards of 65mm spine. It's actually a full shape as well, as you can see, and the spine goes all the way down into the toe. So it's an absolute belter. Balance on this is absolutely phenomenal. For a 2 pound 10.5 bat, you're not going to get much better than this. Full shape, very professional sort of shape and feel to it. Obviously in oval handles, they're not standard with normal bats, but with custom made bats, especially the Players LE, it's definitely recommended to get an oval handle. It just, it stops your hands from twisting when you hit it slightly off center. It also helps with the full shape. If you're hitting it off center, there's a bit more wood there to get behind it. Anyway, it's a absolute ripper of a bat. Blank, obviously. The customer didn't want stickers for a 550 bat. They can sort of decide that. I'll send some stickers along with it. Hopefully they'll put it on, but whatever. It's already been knocked in. It's got a beautiful finish on it, nice and shiny. Awesome profile, as you can see there. Absolute ripper of a bat. Thanks for watching, guys. There's also different bats here that I have in stock. Players LE as well as limited edition. I've one in the test grade, which is the lower grade 1 English Willow. These are all ready for being custom made to your requirements. So get in touch and we'll make an absolute ripper for you guys. Cheers.